Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Shape of Dream Prologue game is crashing or crash on startup. Guys, first solution is try DirectX 11 or 12 commands only if crash on startup. So first open up the Steam, then just click on the game which is the Shape of Dreams. Click on the gear icon and go to your game properties. Now here you will see the launch option, and in the launch option just type -dx11. Once you type this command, now launch the game, then check if it still crash on startup. And if yes, then type here -dx12. Now launch the game, then check still crashing, then just type here -d3d11. Once you type this, now launch the game, then check. If your game is still crashing, then just uncheck the box of Steam overlay while in game, then just go to the install files, click on the verify integrity of game files. And it will take some time, so just wait for it, then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Still your game is crashing, then just click on the browse option you are seeing on the top, and it will take you to the folder where your game is installed. Just look for your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on your game launcher and go to its properties, then just go to the compatibility tab, and here just uncheck this box and also uncheck this box and just check the box of administrator. Then click on apply. Now launch the game, then check still crashing, then just check the box of disable full screen optimization. Then click on apply. Now launch the game, then check still crashing, then just check the box of compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8. Now click on apply, launch the game, then check. If your game is still crashing, just make a right click on your taskbar and open up the task manager. Guys, go to the startup application you are seeing on the top and just disable all the applications you are seeing here. Because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crash issues. Make a right click on all of these that are useless and just disable this, then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Still crashing, then go to your Windows search and just type here the updates and open it. Guys, update your Windows, make sure your Windows is updated, and also make sure that your graphic card drivers are up to date. Once you update your Windows or graphic card driver, restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Now try all of this solution, and I hope one of these fix your problem, and if yes, please consider liking this video, and bye bye.